Hey Katie, I'm going to show you what's going on, I think, with this interval IOA business. Okay, so what we had, this is the result. What you sent me was this file here. And what this is, it's kind of deceiving because that dis makes you think it's disagreement. Maybe it's not disagreement though. This is the first file. The second file, this is a code named DIS. This is how many in the first, how many in the second, and then this is the proportion. Agreement over agreement plus disagreement, or smaller over the larger. So this 6, 7 is 2 over 3. This 3, 3 is 1 over 3. This formula out here, I think, was a formula somebody put in. It doesn't come out of the program that way, just to label things that had a 0 in them to not use those. And then there was an overall percentage down here to count up sum divided by 64. So this is how many didn't have, this is proportion here that didn't have a 0 in them. This is, I guess, the overall. Okay. So this is pretty much what the program outputs. I'm going to show you that. And don't save. Okay, so this is Moose's. I have your primary and rely file in here. I have your code file picked. Okay, so I'm going to look at the preferences here. I don't know what your interval size was you wanted, so I made it 15. If you can set that, and then this method, and then output the individual intervals. The other thing is you want it to go to a comma separated file, so it'll go to Excel. Don't really need it pooled here. Okay, and so when I run that, let me clear the output file, so run it once. When I run that, Excel launches with the comma separated data in it. So this is the same thing as that other that you sent me. It's the first one, the second one, the code, the count in that interval of each how many times RU happened in that interval for this guy and then this guy. If you want a formula that tells you whether there was a 0 in there or not, figure that out. It's equals if, and then you have to do an OR function, or that equals 0, comma, or this equals 0. And value of true is, if either one of them is 0, we want a 0 in there, so the value of true is 0. If either one of them is not, if either some of them are not, either one of them is not 0, we want a 1. Yeah, wait. I think we want that to be and. Okay, so we want, what we really want is if, yeah, either one of them is 0, we want a 0 in there. If neither one of them is 0, then we want a 1 in there. So let's see what happens if we had like something like that. Copy that formula down, blah. Yeah, so that's what we want. Now this particular thing didn't have a whole lot in here. There's a lot of zeros in here. So with that particular code, but see, it goes through the codes, and then there's an overall average percent agreement that it puts out there. So you can sort these and do your own computations in Excel and get what you want, but that's where it came from. I just kind of wanted to demo that because it was easier to demo it on here than explain it in an email. So I'm going to send you this video and hope it will help. Thanks for listening.